Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm making Sago Fruits Drink, a refreshing summer special drink. Creamy milk combined with soft sago pearls and fresh fruits creates a delicious cooling drink perfect for hot days. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add 2 cups milk. Milk-based fruit drinks are very popular during hot weather. Three tablespoons sugar. Let it boil and cook for 5 minutes while stirring. Allow the milk to cool down completely. Now boil sago pearls in water. Sago pearls are widely used in refreshing summer drinks. They absorb flavor easily and add unique texture. Cook until the pearls become transparent. Wash them well and strain the water. Prepare the fruits by cutting black grapes, green grapes, strawberries, apples, pomegranate, and banana into small pieces. Fruits combination make the drink colorful and tasty. Now assemble the drink. In a bowl, add the chilled milk, boil sago pearl, and mix fruits. Cool the milk completely before adding fruits. Mix everything well. Milk provides calcium and protein. Fruits add vitamins and antioxidants. Sago gives quick energy during hot days. Serve the drink chilled for best taste. These drinks help keep the body refreshed. Your refreshing sago fruit drink is ready, perfect for summer afternoon or a cooling dessert drink. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Foods for more refreshing drink recipes.